The kitchen is where creativity meets necessity. But what if your kitchen could do more than just cook meals? What if it could become the hub of culinary innovation with a single appliance? Enter this Ninja Combi All-in-One Multicooker. 14-in-1 powerhouse designed to make meal prep faster, easier, and more versatile than ever before. If you've ever dreamt of cooking complete meals in just 15 minutes, or wished for an all-in-one solution that can do everything from air frying to slow cooking, this might be the product you've been waiting for. In this review, we'll dive deep into what makes the Ninja Combi a must-have kitchen appliance. When you first unbox the Ninja Combi, the sleek stainless steel design immediately stands out. It's modern, yet practical, perfect for fitting into any kitchen aesthetic. At first glance, you may think it's just another multi-cooker, but its robust build hints that this appliance is anything but ordinary. The stainless steel finish isn't just for looks, it's durable, easy to clean, and adds a professional touch to your kitchen. The Ninja Combi's family-sized capacity is perfect for feeding up to 8 people, making it ideal for large families or those who love to entertain. Whether you're roasting a 6-pound chicken or preparing a full meal for a dinner party, this appliance can handle it all. Imagine having an appliance that can seamlessly switch between all these cooking methods with just a few button presses. No more cluttered countertops. No more having to switch between different devices to prepare a single meal. The Ninja Combi does it all, allowing you to cook your proteins, veggies, and grains simultaneously for a complete meal that's ready in just 15 minutes. One of the standout features of the Ninja Combi is its HyperSteam and Air Fry technology. This combination ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. HyperSteam locks in moisture, making your food juicy and tender on the inside, while the rapid cyclonic air creates a crispy exterior. Imagine biting into a piece of chicken that's crispy on the outside, yet moist and flavorful on the inside. Perfection in every bite. This technology also makes it possible to go from frozen to table in under 30 minutes. No more waiting for your ingredients to defrost. The superheated steam quickly thaws and cooks frozen foods to a safe temperature, saving you precious time in the kitchen. If you're tired of spending hours in the kitchen after a long day, the Ninja Combi will be your new best friend. One of its key selling points is that it can cook complete meals in just 15 minutes. That means you can prepare proteins, vegetables, and grains all at the same time without needing to use multiple pans or appliances. Plus, it cooks up to 50% faster than a traditional wall oven. Think about how much time you spend cooking dinner each night. Now imagine cutting that time in half without sacrificing flavor or quality. The Ninja Combi makes this possible, turning weeknight meals into a breeze and giving you more time to spend with your family or relax. With its all-in-one functionality and included accessories, the Ninja Combi truly is the only appliance you'll ever need. Whether you're baking, air frying, or slow cooking, this multi-cooker does it all. No more cluttered countertops or endless piles of dishes to clean afterward. The Combi cooker pan even doubles as a serving dish, making mealtime more convenient than ever. The Ninja Combi comes with 3 accessories: a Combi cooker pan, bake tray, and crisper tray. These accessories make it even easier to prepare a wide range of dishes. And the best part? They're all dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is a breeze. If you love entertaining, the Ninja Combi's family-sized capacity quickly become one of your favorite features. It can handle large meals with ease, whether you're feeding a crowd or just prepping food for the week ahead. With the ability to fit 1.5 boxes of pasta, 4 cups of dry rice, a 6-pound roast chicken, or a 10-inch pizza, this appliance is ready to tackle your biggest cooking challenges. Hosting a dinner party? No problem. The Ninja Combi can help you prepare delicious, restaurant-quality meals that will impress your guests without the stress of juggling multiple pots and pans. With so many multi-cookers on the market, you might be wondering what sets the Ninja Combi apart from the competition. Here's what makes it stand out. 1. HyperSteam and Air Fry technology. Achieve the perfect balance of juicy and crispy in every bite. 2. Complete meals in 15 minutes. Spend less time in the kitchen without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. 3. 14-in-1 versatility. Replace multiple appliances with one do-it-all device. 4. Family-sized capacity, perfect for large families or entertaining. 5. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe accessories make cleanup a breeze. This combination of features makes the Ninja Combi more than just a multi-cooker. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to simplify their cooking routine without compromising on taste or quality. The Ninja Combi is ideal for anyone who values versatility, speed, and convenience in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy parent looking to make dinner quickly, or a foodie who loves experimenting with different cooking techniques, this appliance has something for everyone. Are you tired of juggling multiple appliances and spending hours in the kitchen? Do you want to cook delicious, healthy meals faster than ever before? If so, the Ninja Combi might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. With its ability to do everything from air frying to slow cooking, this multi-cooker can handle all your culinary needs. Final thoughts: why the Ninja Combi should be your next kitchen upgrade. In conclusion, the Ninja Combi All-in-One Multicooker is a true kitchen workhorse. Its 14-in-1 functionality, HyperSteam and Air Fry technology, and family-size capacity make it an essential tool for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're making quick weeknight dinners or preparing a feast for friends and family, the Ninja Combi will help you get the job done with ease. If you're ready to simplify your cooking routine and create delicious meals in record time, the Ninja Combi is the appliance you've been waiting for. With its versatile features, easy cleanup, and ability to cook complete meals in just 15 minutes, it's more than just a multi-cooker. It's your new kitchen MVP. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.